This is how it look after 3 minutes. And if you want, you the cabbage and the... Yes guys, what I'm doing here, I'm just soaking my vegetable in some vinegar warm water for 5 minutes. Yes guys, here I have my cabbage. I cut it up already. I'm gonna cut up my red bell pepper. Bell pepper. I like to cut them up in thin slices. I don't like when I'm chunky, so I'm just cutting up them very thin. Slice my carrot, thin slice also. Slicing up my onion, thin slice also. What I'm going to do now is to get my pot on the stove. Just going to put in my cabbage. In my hand, then combine it together, and it's hot. Just be careful when you're doing it. Just don't put your hand to the bottom, to the extreme bottom. So I'm gonna add my spice. Here I have my Larry seasoning. About half teaspoon of Larry seasoning. I have my basil here. Half teaspoon of basil. I put some ginger, garlic, and pimento. And turn on my stove a little. Half teaspoon also. Some vegetable seasoning. Just gonna combine this together. I'm not gonna put any water in here, just gonna stir it and just cover it for the 2 minutes. And then I'll show you how it looks after 2 minutes. Okay guys? I'm not going to put no salt in the pot, okay? You don't need to put any salt in here if you're using the Larry seasoning. Not even a minute, and this is how it looks. I'm not gonna cover it with any cover, I'm just gonna leave it, let it just steam. And remember, don't put any water in there, okay? And the carrot is crunchy. Yeah, I'm not gonna steam out the cabbage, the carrot all out. This is how it looks after 3 minutes. And if you want, the cabbage and the bell pepper and the carrot is still crunchy, but if you want to have it a little softer, you can definitely let it steam for 5 minutes instead of 3 minutes. Okay guys, this is how it looks. Remember to turn on your stove. Guys, this is what I'm having with my steamed cabbage, some rice and peas, and some plantain and some jerk chicken. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this, if you love this video, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe and share out this video. And thank you for watching. Bless you. Happy Sunday. Bye. Guys, if you want me to do cook with me videos, you just leave a comment in the description box and just let me know. Okay, bye.